Amelia Island is a true island oasis in Northeast Florida, and it's home sweet home to Larry and Elizabeth Nettles.
Love that small town feel. We love having that water right next to us. I grew up on the island. All of my friends, all of my family are here, and so we wanted to raise our children in that type of environment.
It's just a beautiful place to raise your family and to be around your friends and enjoy the outdoors.
So when Larry and Beth found the perfect island home to renovate, it had a special meaning to them. A 2,600 square foot southern ranch once owned by Larry's grandfather that was still in its original 1950s condition.
It was rough, yeah?
That's an understatement. Yeah. Yeah, it was in pretty bad shape. There was a lot of work that needed to be done. I mean, you literally stepped into a time capsule and you felt like you walked into the 1950s.
But as any homeowners planning for their dream home will tell you, finding a trusted and reliable contractor to oversee a home renovation can be a difficult process, with potential risk ranging from poor workmanship to potential fraud.
We have something called island time here, and so some days they may want to go fishing versus coming to your projects. So I was more concerned about having somebody reliable that was going to show up every day on time to get the job done.
Making sure that contractor had the proper licenses, had insurance, and just really making sure that they're credentialed and vetted, and so that we didn't have to worry about that.
However, Larry and Beth were able to quickly find the contractor they were looking for, thanks to a website called ContractorConnection.com, a company with over 25 years of history in overseeing contractor program management for consumers.
Our mission and vision at Contractor Connection is to restore and enhance lives, businesses, and communities. We are not a contractor, and we're much more than a matching service. What we provide are contractor management oversight services. Over our 25 years in business, we have matched millions of property owners with fully qualified contractors to complete their insurance repair and home improvement projects.
How would you describe this project?
Gut and start over.
Gut and start over.
We got to tear down walls.
Okay, tear down walls.
Completely start over on the kitchen. We have to do electrical, plumbing, lighting, flooring.
Don't forget the fuzzy wallpaper.
The fuzzy wallpaper.
Right.
As the country's leading provider of contractor-managed repair services for the insurance industry, Contractor Connection was a natural choice for Larry and Beth to bring their home of Southern charm back to life.
The contractor was great. He showed up, he knew what he was doing, and I could easily see the progress every day transform this house into what we wanted it to be. So it was fantastic.
Contractor Connection not only helped Larry and Beth in choosing the right contractor, but we were able to provide assistance in providing full project oversight to job completion and provide quality work backed by a 3-year workmanship warranty.
With the removal of 4 structural walls to create a large open entertaining space and an entire kitchen overhaul for a consistent modern look, the 3-month project was completed on time and on budget, giving Larry and Beth the dream home they desired, thanks to a Contractor Connection they could trust.
The home looks great. We're very, very pleased with it, and I know my grandfather, my grandmother will be very proud of what we've done.
Definitely. Yeah, we couldn't have done it without Contractor Connection. Getting it done on time and so well, it exceeded our expectations. We're definitely going to use them again.
To learn more about Contractor Connection and its network of trusted contractors, go to their website, ContractorConnection.com, or go to designingspaces.tv to see this portion of the show again.